Good day, everybody. I have been a trucker for 41 years. Unfortunately, I have worked for a number of companies who didn't have proper pension plans. Now I'm turning 61 soon, and I do not have enough funds to retire. If you are in a similar situation and your pension fund won't allow you to retire, I would urge you to send me a direct message on WhatsApp on 061 251 0633 because I have discovered a plan to break into financial freedom. Please send me a WhatsApp and I will give you more information. Have a good day.